Good morning to all of you. Today we shall calculate the coordinate of vertex of parabola and we discuss about the or comment about the sign of leading coefficient A, B, constant term C, indiscriminant D, and sum of roots alpha plus beta and product of root alpha beta. Now quadratic equation y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Here we take common a, x square, b by a, x, c by a. Now x square, we change this in the perfect square so that x square 2 into product of this x b by 2a. If 2 cancel, that is b by a x, no change, and b by 2 square of b by 2 added, then after that subtracted, so that no change. The value of this equations, and this is c by a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is we can take this in the form of a plus b to whole square x plus b by 2a to the power 2, and after that this is c by a and here b by 2 b square by 4a square. Now we get y equal to a x plus b by 2a whole square plus c by a minus b square by 4a square. We see this here x plus b by 2a equal square quantity, perfect square quantity, and for y, this is y, value of y, this y minimum value of y is minimum, so that perfect square quantity must be 0. Y minimum, so that perfect square quantity, perfect square quantity must be 0, because if the negative expression then square that become positive, so that for the minimum of y, perfect square quantity must be 0. It means that x plus b by 2a to the power 2 equal to 0 implies that x plus b by 2a equal to 0 implies that x is equal to minus b by 2a. This is the value of x. This is the value of x minus x equal to minus b by 2a. Now y equal to a, this becomes 0, so that a bracket में c by a minus b square divided by 4a square divided by 4a square. Now here a LCM 4a square, this a 4ac 4 square minus b square minus b square. Here, now we take the sign. We take the sign imply that y equal to minus a side the change b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. Here a cancels and b square minus 4ac equal to d, so that a cancel minus d divided by 4a. This is value of y minus d by 4a, so that the x and y coordinate of x y, that is a coordinate of vertex vxy equal to x minus b by 2a and y equal to minus d by 4a. This is coordinate of vertex. This is a vertex. Here this is a vertex, and such type vxy equal to minus b by 2a and minus d by 4a. Another we comment the sign of a, b, c, d and sum of root alpha plus beta and product of root alpha beta. Now one question here on the quadratic polynomial y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Comment of sign means chin, plus or minus, greater than 0 or less than 0. Solution: this is a curve and here y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. This is given polynomial quadratic equations. First, we discuss about the sign of a. A is the leading coefficient. A is the leading coefficient, and here the parabola, mouth of parabola is downward. Mouth of parabola is downward, so a is negative. As we studied in the previous videos about sign of a, if the mouth of parabola upside or downside. Now here, so that a is less than 0, a is negative, so that a is less than 0. It means that sign of this is negative. And second, b, we comment on b. Given, we know that b is the x coordinate of vertex. X coordinate of vertex. Here b minus b by 2a. This is a positive, so that this quantity positive greater than 0. Here minus b by 2a is positive. This is positive quantity because it is greater than 0. And a is negative. I see here a is negative. This quantity is positive. This is negative. A is negative. This quantity is positive. So that negative cancel, that positive. It means that b is greater than 0. So b is positive. Therefore b greater than 0. Sign of b is positive sign. Now in c the constant terms, putting the value of x in the given polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, and this put the value of x equal to 0 and 0 here, y equal to c. Y never be negative or 0, so that c is also greater than 0, c is also positive. Now, fourth, the indiscriminate d, that is also greater than 0, because graph cut the x-axis at 2 points. Here, graph that this parabola cut the x-axis at 2 points alpha and beta, so that the discriminant d greater than 0. Now, fifth, sum of 0 is alpha plus beta. As you know that sum alpha plus beta, as you know that sum of 0 is alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Now we have also see that a less than 0, b greater than 0, a less than 0, this is negative, and yeah, this is positive, negative, positive, so that this quantity become positive. It means that alpha plus beta is positive, so that alpha plus beta greater than 0, thus sum greater than 0. Now, for 6, product alpha beta, product of zeros alpha beta equal to c by a. As you c is positive and a is negative, also we see one quantity, this is positive, this is negative, whole negative, so that alpha beta is negative, so that product is less than 0. Now, how to solve inequality? Inequality means we have to solve in the study that equal position equal to 0 or some things, but here how to solve inequality? Such type of equations are given. Method of interval: inequalities having non-repeating linear factor. Non-repeating: x square minus 5x plus 6 greater than equal to 0. It is non-repeating. Now solve it. X square minus 5x plus 6 greater than equal to 0. First of all, we factorize it. X cube 6, 3 to the 6 and 3 minus 3 and minus 2 equal to 5. Minus 3 minus 2 equal to 5 and plus 6 greater than equal to 0. Now taking common x, here x minus 3 and also minus 2, x minus 3. Now both case x minus 3 and x minus 2. This is a factor of this polynomial. The value of both factor x minus 2 and x minus 3 will be positive. Here as you see that product of both are greater than or equal to 0. Greater than 0, it means that this quantity becomes a positive case. Then in this case, x minus 2 and x minus 3 greater than equal to 0, two cases are possible if both factor equal to positive or both factor equal to negative. If both factor is negative, then also this is a positive, and both is positive, this is also a positive. Here case first, if x minus 2 greater than 0, x minus 2 greater than 0 and x minus 3 is also greater than 0, we put this point by equating equal to 0, we calculate the value of x. Like x minus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to 2, x equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. We indicate 2 point, x equal to 2. Now x greater than 2, it means that our inequality move in this directions, and x is greater than 3, this is this direction. In this case, we take the intersection point. We take intersection point so that this and this intersection point is this point, so that x greater than equal to 3. X greater than equal to x greater than, if x greater than equal to 3, these portions. Now the second, if x minus 2 and x minus 3 both are negative, that is less than equal to 0, this is also less than equal to 0. It means that x less than equal to 2 and x less than equal to 3. I will tell you about x minus 3 equal to 3. Then after change the side, x less than equal to 3 we get. And this x less than 2, less than 2 and less than 3. Here this position is also the common intersection position, so that x less than equal to 3. It means that we summarize x less than equal to 0, x less than equal to 0, this and this part and this part. Summarize to each other, we get these positions and these positions. This position, it means that value of x minus infinity 2.2 and union 3 to plus infinity, and union of this x belongs to this point. This is our answer. Now, how to solve inequality? Here, two problems. Solve the inequality. One is x square minus x minus 6, and in the second bracket, x square plus 6x greater than equal to 0. Solution. X square minus x minus 6 and x square plus 6 greater than equal to 0. First of all, we factorize this x square minus x minus 6, 3 2 is 6, x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6, minus 3x plus 2x equal to minus x. No change. Here take the common x minus 3, and here plus 2, also x minus 3. Now taking the common x minus 3, here x and here x plus 2. Now put this value on this x square minus x minus 6, x minus 3 and x plus 2, x minus 3, x plus 2, and here x square plus 6x, x, and here x plus 6. For getting the value of x, such type of inequality, first of all we put h part equal to 0, then we get the value of x. Here x minus 3 greater than equal to 0, x greater than or equal to 3, we indicate on the line 0, x 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and also here -6. Now one point is -6, -6. One point is -6. Another is x plus x equal to 0, this point, x equal to -2, this point, and x equal to -6, this point. X equal to -6, x equal to -2, x equal to 0, and x equal to 3. This and this point. Now we take, if the inequality greater then we take positive part, that is plus, this part is minus, this part is plus, also this part is minus, and also this part is plus. Here this position, and here also this position. Now taking x belongs where? X belongs negative direction, minus infinity to -6. This is closed, and union of this point 2 to 0, this point positive point, greater than, if the inequality greater than, in this case we take the positive parts. This is positive, this is positive, and this is positive. -2 union -2 to 0, this is closed, and now this is negative, this part, union 3 to infinity, open interval. This is our answer. S belongs to -infinity to -6, union -2, 0, and union 3 and infinity. This is the answer of first problem. Now solution 2. X minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 3, x minus 4 less than 0. That is a less than equal to 0. Less than equal to 0. Now, for solving such type of inequality, first of all, indicate the value of x on the line. For this, we equate the h part of the expression equal to 0. We get the value of x. Now here, x minus 2 less than 0, x less than equal to 2. Now indicate on the line here this and this. Now x पॉजिटिव है, x plus 1 equal to x plus 1 less than equal to 0, it means that x less than equal to x plus 1 less than equal to 0, it means that x equal to minus 1, x less than equal to minus 1. Such type of this we indicate the point, we indicate the point 1 here, here also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Now x is equal to जो है, here x equal to what? Minus 1, and now here second question, x minus 2, x minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 4. Now x minus 2, x minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 4, we indicate this point, this is 1 here, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Now we indicate less than or in less than take negative part, that is here, this is positive, this point is, this is negative, this is positive and this is negative, this is positive. Here we take negative part means this part and also this part. It means that x belong to this is 1, 2, union 3, 4. This is our answer. But if this question become such type of this, x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 3, x minus 4, less than equal to 0, in this case, we take this point, this is 0, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this time minus 1 to 2, minus 1, 2, and this is plus, minus, this point is plus, this is minus. Now in this case negative part we take, this is also plus, and here x belongs to minus 1, 2, 2, union 3 belong to 3 into 4. This is value of x. X belongs to minus 1 to 2 union 3 to 4. Now like and subscribe our videos and share with your friend. Thank you.